This UNESCO World Heritage Site comprises three major islands, Komodo, Rinca, and Padar, and numerous smaller islets, spanning over 1,733 square kilometers. The park offers a diverse range of experiences, from encountering the mighty Komodo dragons to diving into crystal clear waters surrounded by vibrant coral reefs. This video is about exploring the enchanting Komodo National Park in Indonesia. Welcome to Komodo National Park, a true gem nestled in the heart of Indonesia. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is located in the Lesser Sunda Islands, between the islands of Flores and Sumbawa. Spanning over 1,733 square kilometers, Komodo National Park is famous for its stunning landscapes, breathtaking marine life, and of course, the iconic Komodo dragons. Komodo National Park was established in 1980 to protect and preserve the unique ecosystem of the region. It comprises three main islands, Komodo, Rinca, and Padar, as well as numerous smaller islands. The park is not only a popular tourist destination, but also a significant research and conservation site. As you explore this enchanting national park, you will be captivated by the rich biodiversity it offers. From lush tropical forest and pristine beaches to vibrant coral reefs and crystal clear waters, every corner of Komodo National Park is a testament to the wonders of nature. One of the main highlights of a visit to Komodo National Park is the opportunity to see the world's largest lizard, the Komodo dragon. These awe-inspiring creatures, known locally as ora, can reach lengths of up to 3 meters and weigh over 70 kilograms. Their fierce appearance and prehistoric features make them a fascinating and mysterious species to observe. Location and overview. Komodo National Park is situated in the archipelago nation of Indonesia, specifically in the Lesser Sunda Islands. It is located in the Nusa Tenggara Timur, East Nusa Tenggara province, and encompasses a vast area of land and sea. The park comprises three main islands, Komodo, Rinca, and Padar, along with numerous smaller islands. Stretching across an area of 1,733 square kilometers, Komodo National Park is known for its breathtaking landscapes and remarkable biodiversity. The park was established in 1980 to protect its unique ecosystem, which includes a mix of terrestrial, marine, and coastal habitats. The park's location in the Coral Triangle, a region renowned for its marine biodiversity, makes it a haven for underwater enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. With its crystal clear waters and vibrant coral reefs, Komodo National Park offers a treasure trove of marine discovery. On land, the park is characterized by rugged hills, lush forests, and expansive savannas. The diverse landscapes provide a range of habitats for its resident wildlife, making it an ideal refuge for a wide variety of species. Exploring the Land of Dragons. A trip to Komodo Island offers an unrivaled opportunity to witness the majestic Komodo dragons in their natural habitat. These ancient reptiles, with their formidable presence and fascinating behavior, leave a lasting impression on all who encounter them. Our expert guides will ensure your safety as you embark on a thrilling adventure to observe these magnificent creatures up close. Komodo Island is famous for its population of Komodo dragons, which are the world's largest living species of lizard. One of the most popular attractions in Komodo is, of course, the famous dragon. The Komodo dragon is the world's largest lizard and can grow up to 3 meters long and weigh up to 70 kilograms. These incredible creatures are a sight to behold, and visitors to Komodo have the opportunity to see them up close in their natural habitat. While they may look intimidating, the Komodo dragons are unlikely to attack humans unless provoked. The only way to see the Komodo dragons in their natural habitat is to be accompanied by a ranger and follow all the ranger's instructions when in the proximity to these dangerous lizards. In addition to the Komodo dragons, Komodo is also home to a wide variety of other wildlife, including monkeys, deer, and a variety of bird species. Visitors can take a hike through the island's rugged terrain to see these animals up close and personal. The island's unique ecosystem makes it an ideal destination for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. A gateway to marine paradise. Beyond the captivating Komodo dragons, the waters surrounding the park are teeming with marine life and vibrant coral reefs. Embarking on a Komodo boat trip allows you to immerse yourself in the beauty of this underwater wonderland. Snorkel or dive in the crystal clear waters, and be prepared to encounter manta rays, turtles, colorful fish, and other mesmerizing sea creatures. It's an experience that will leave you in awe of nature's incredible creations. Pink Beach, a serene oasis. One of the most captivating sights in Komodo National Park is Pink Beach. This stunning stretch of shoreline gets its unique hue from tiny red coral fragments mixed with the white sand. Take a leisurely stroll along the beach, go for a swim, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of this breathtaking location. Komodo isn't just about wildlife. The island is also home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, such as Pink Beach, also known as Pantai Merah in Indonesian. It is a stunning beach located on Komodo Island, part of the Komodo National Park in Indonesia. What makes this beach unique and stand out from other beaches is its distinctive pink sand. The pink color is caused by the presence of microscopic red coral fragments mixed with white sand. Padar Island, panoramic views. Padar Island offers awe-inspiring panoramic views of the park's dramatic landscapes. Hike to the island's viewpoint and be rewarded with vistas of pristine beaches, lush hills, and the turquoise waters that surround the island. Capture this natural wonder on your camera and create memories that will last a lifetime. Padar Island is one of the most famous islands in the Komodo National Park, located in East Nusa Tenggara. The island is famous for its breathtaking landscapes, which include rugged hills, stunning cliffs, and crystal clear waters. One of the most popular activities to do on Padar Island is to hike to the top of its highest peak. From the top of the peak, visitors are treated to panoramic view of the surrounding islands and the 3 bays that make up Padar Island. The view is truly breathtaking, and visitors are encouraged to take their time to enjoy it. It's also a popular spot for photography. The island's rugged terrain and stunning vistas provide a picturesque backdrop for photographers looking to capture the natural beauty of the island. The beach is surrounded by crystal clear turquoise waters and stunning coral reefs, making it a popular spot for swimming, snorkeling, and diving. The coral reefs are home to a wide range of marine life, including colorful fish, sea turtles, and even dolphins. Pink Beach is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Komodo. Its unique pink sand and crystal clear waters offer a truly unforgettable experience for those who love nature and stunning beaches. Diving in Komodo National Park. Another popular attraction in Komodo is the island's incredible diving spots. Komodo's waters are home to a variety of underwater creatures, including manta rays, sea turtles, and even whale sharks. The island's dive sites are considered some of the best in the world, and visitors can take a dive with a local guide to see these incredible creatures up close. The Komodo National Park, located in Indonesia, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is known for its diverse marine life, pristine coral reefs, and breathtaking underwater landscapes. With its abundance of marine life, stunning coral reefs, and breathtaking vistas, Komodo is truly a diver's paradise. Manta Point. Manta Point is located in the south of Komodo Island and is known for its population of manta rays. Divers and snorkelers can observe these graceful creatures up close as they swim through the water, feeding on plankton. Komodo Island and Komodo National Park offer an extraordinary blend of raw natural beauty and exhilarating experiences. From encountering the legendary Komodo dragons to diving into the vibrant marine ecosystem, this destination promises unforgettable moments that will leave you in awe of our planet's wonders. Plan your trip wisely, choose a reputable tour operator, and get ready to embark on an adventure of a lifetime. Komodo Island awaits your exploration, so start planning your journey today. Best time to visit Komodo National Park. To fully enjoy your Komodo Island adventure, it's crucial to choose the right time to visit. The dry season, from April to November, offers the best weather conditions for exploring the park's various attractions. However, the wet season, from December to March, brings lush landscapes and fewer crowds. Consider your preferences and activities of interest when deciding on the ideal time for your visit. Selecting a reputable tour operator is essential to ensure a safe and memorable journey. Look for a company that prioritizes responsible tourism practices, knowledgeable guides, and well-maintained boats. Consider the duration of the tour, inclusions such as meals and accommodation, and the flexibility to cater to your preferences. Please subscribe to The Travel World. Thanks for watching.